Welcome to Uniguru, your trusted immigration partner. Australia is a land of dreams, a land of opportunity. But did you know your age could be the biggest hurdle? Yes, your age could be the deciding factor in your Australian immigration journey. The clock is ticking, and Australia's strict visa age limits could make or break your plans. If you want to migrate, you must act fast before time runs out. Why does age matter in Australian immigration? Because the government prioritizes young, skilled migrants. They want people who can contribute to the economy for many years to come. The Skilled Independent Visa Subclass 189 has an age limit of 45. If you're over 45, you won't qualify for this highly competitive visa. The Skilled Nominated Visa Subclass 190 also has a strict age cap of 45. Even with a state nomination, you must meet the age requirement. The Skilled Work Regional Visa Subclass 491 is another pathway, but the age cap remains 45. This means regional opportunities are still restricted by age. However, the Global Talent Visa Subclass 858 is more flexible, allowing applicants over 55. But to qualify, you must prove exceptional benefit to Australia. A game changer is the new Skills in Demand visa, which removes the age barrier. Older applicants can now apply if they work in key industries like healthcare, IT, or construction. UK citizens also get an advantage with the Working Holiday visa, now extended to age 35. This gives them more time to explore, work, and transition into permanent residency. If you're serious about moving to Australia, don't wait. The age limit on most visas means every year counts. The Skills in Demand visa is your best shot if you're over 45. But securing an invitation as soon as possible is crucial. Time is running out, so act now, plan smart, and make your Australian dream a reality. Don't miss your chance to start a new life down under.